Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Wheel of Dharma. So today we will try to know about Kaaba and its God Allah. However, it is also important to know that the god of Kaaba can also be Shiva. Thus let's see the similarities which are found between Hubal and Baleshwar. Kabbalah or Kabbalah is an esoteric method, discipline and school of thought in Jewish mysticism. Does Kabbalah believe in God? Kabbalists believe the universe began with a benevolent sacrifice by God, so unlike Christianity, which says God sacrificed his only son to save the world, Kabbalah teaches that God sacrificed himself so that the world and the human race might flourish. Thus Kabbalists describe God's sacrifice as simzum, the Hebrew word for withdrawal. Kabbalists believe God existed in the form of pure energy in the time before creation, although the power of God's energy was so vast that it prevented anything else from existing in the universe. To make room for the human race and everything else in the universe, God first had to recoil into itself. However, in the process of withdrawal, God's identity shattered, dispersing God's energy throughout the universe. Aspects of God, in the form of the tense fired, then descended through time and space into the newly created world of material reality, the world in which humans live. Every Kabbalist's main duty is tikkun, the process of restoring Kabbalah's fractured God to a state of wholeness through righteousness and good deeds. In religions like Christianity and Judaism, God creates and then withdraws. But in Kabbalah, God withdraws first in order to create, although God still remains a presence after creation, but in a divided form, dependent on the help of human beings to restore its wholeness. Whereas many religions conceive of God as a human-like figure to whom they can speak and pray, Kabbalah views God as a boundless, unknowable force. The finite human mind cannot ever truly comprehend God, but the collective faith and devotion of the followers of Kabbalah can make God whole and knowable once more. What is Ka, Ba and Akh, I? The ancient Egyptians believed the soul had three parts, the Ka, the Ba, and the Akh. So the Ka and Ba were spiritual entities that everyone possessed, but the Akh was an entity reserved for only the select few that were deserving of Matkheru. Kaaba, the house of God. The Kaaba, sometimes referred to as Al-Kaaba al-Musharrafa, is a stone building at the center of Islam's most important mosque and holiest site, the Masjid al-Haram in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. It is considered by Muslims to be the Bait Allah, house of God, and as the Qibla, direction of prayer, for Muslims around the world. Although the current structure was built after the original building was damaged by fire during the siege of Makkah by Umayyads in 683 AD. Armstrong further says that the Kaaba was thought to be at the center of the world, with the gate of heaven directly above it. Although the Kaaba marked the location where the sacred world intersected with the profane, the embedded black stone was a further symbol of this as a meteorite that had fallen from the sky and linked heaven and earth. A statue of Hubal, the principal idol of Makkah, and statues of other pagan deities are known to have been placed in or around the Kaaba. In her book Islam, A Short History, Karen Armstrong asserts that the Kaaba was officially dedicated to Hubal, a Nabatean deity, and contained 360 idols which probably represented the days of the year. However, by the time of Muhammad's era, it seems that the Kaaba was venerated as the temple of Allah, the High God. God of Kaaba, Hubal or Baleshwar. The main Baleshwar temple is dedicated to Shiva, who is also known as Baleshwar. So Hubal and Baleshwar are phonetically similar words, although Israelites still worshipping Shiva, which means seven in Hebrew language. Shiva is the week-long mourning period in Judaism for first-degree relatives, so the ritual is referred to as sitting Shiva in English, although the Shiva period lasts for 7 days following the burial. Following the initial period of despair and lamentation immediately after the death, Shiva embraces a time when individuals discuss their loss and accept the comfort of others. Allah, Hubal equals Hu, spirit plus Bal. Shiva, Balishwar equals Bal plus Ishwar. Aloka, the name of Jewish Allah. Aloka, the name of Hindu Shiva. Aloka Kabala is Aloka Kabaleshwar.